Hi friends, I'm Sonali and I'm an actor in Hindi film industry. So basically Sam Entertainment and Talent Management Company has been launched by me and some of my very close friends. So basically this is an online platform, so anybody from India, abroad, or anybody whoever wants to become an actor can visit our website, which is www.samtalentmanagement.com. So we are basically there to guide and help aspiring actors. Now there's a background to this company. When I started my career, I never knew how to start, where to go for auditions, and how to do makeup and etc. So I went, and eventually I found out what to do, where to do, and I made quite a lot of contacts. But initially I didn't know what to do. So that's precisely why this company is formed, so that anybody who wants to become an actor, who wants to start a good career in Hindi film industry, so we help them with different services. We have some 7 to 8 services in our website. You can go and check, wherein there's one service which is Ticket to Bollywood, wherein we give you all the steps which you need to take to become an actor. For example, how to make an audition link, portfolio, and main thing is the contact, because today most of the artists are dependent on Facebook, Insta, and all these digital platform. But even the fraudsters, even the people who are looking for conning, making fraud, they are also on Facebook and Insta, and they are also looking for desperate actors who wants to become actor, and they can take some money from them. So that's why this company is formed, so that we can help aspiring actors, give them proper guidance, give them proper contacts, that these are the contacts where you need to go and search for work, and give them. We have in-house audition update group, also a WhatsApp group, wherein on a daily basis we post almost 30 to 50 audition updates, wherein the aspiring actors can apply for, go for audition, and look for work. So then we have a personality development section, we have a mental and physical health section, we have a makeup and hair section. Plus we have a section which is an accommodation assistant, in case someone who wants to come to Mumbai and try his luck. We help them to give accommodation in a place where production house and casting directors are in a very close proximity, which helps him to be in that particular zone, and he can start applying for auditions after coming to Mumbai also. So these are the different services that we provide, and we don't want that any actor or aspiring actor to fall prey to all these fraudsters who are constantly looking for desperate people who wants to come to Bollywood, to get some money, to put them into some wrong practices. So that's the purpose of our company. And if you are genuinely and seriously looking for a career in Hindi film industry, then do visit us on www.samtalentmanagement.com and start your career soon. Thank you.